Hey everyone out there, Portfolio Pat here. I want to talk to you guys today about, are we going to see a little rebound from in a correction going on from Bitcoin? Because right now we have seen Bitcoin at 17,962, you guys. And so this is like really close. This is $1,000 drop last time from the old all-time high. We haven't seen this in a little bit go down. This went down almost $1,000. A lot of people are wondering, did it hit the mark yet? Have we hit the all-time high from 2017? Are we going back up? When is it going to hit this $20,000 mark? Well, I'm going to show you guys right here on the data. Let's go to the charts. Here is the chart of Bitcoin. You can look right here. If you come over to Coin Market Cap, you can see all this going down. Go to the 3-month. I'll check on the 3-month right here. Here's when it was at 19,345, about 19,345. If you look at the year or the all, let me see if we can get to it right here. I'll give you guys a little example here. Maybe I can zoom it in. But you can see if we look back, let me see if I can get right on it here. We're at 19,562. That's still a few $100s away. With Bitcoin, there's always a few price fluctuations. It's not like a fiat currency like on the New York Stock Exchange where you can there's some centralized place. This is it's all give and take within a few $100s. And if you look right here, I'm going to show you guys one of these articles over here on CoinDesk. It says Bitcoin drops 1,000 before recovering in sharpest week, and this is after a sell-off in 3 weeks. Bitcoin fell more than $1,000 before rebounding in the leading cryptocurrency's sharpest decline in almost 3 weeks. But we've also never seen it, hit on some of these major exchanges. It's hit like a range of 19,474. It's still a little not as high as the 500 we just saw a minute ago. But they're saying right here in this article that we could see a correction before it breaks 20,000, said the CEO of analytics of Crypto Quant. And other on-chain indicators like Bitcoin and stablecoin reserves say the potential for buying and pressure still prevails so far. So basically, this is saying that Bitcoin is, we might just see this correction happening. We know Bitcoin always does have a little correction before it bounces back. I mean, we can see it when we look right here. There's always, let me see if I can show you after 3 months. See this? Then bounce up, correction, bounce up, correction. You can kind of see a little one right here. This is bounce down, correction. If you look right here from the all-time high, I think I can show you. We had a huge correction from, where is it right here? Let me show you. See, around 2017, 2018, it jumped up. Huge down, huge up, huge down, huge up. So we always see these happening in Bitcoin. And this is one thing we always got to look for, guys, being an investor out there. And then here's another one, another article I want to show you guys out here. This is going to help you guys get a good idea of what's to come. Bitcoin option market suggests investors preparing for all-time high. Activity in Bitcoin's market shows investors are eyeing for more gains from top cryptocurrency, which is now 2.8% below the record high. That means that when we just looked at it right now, there's a lot of fluctuations that are going on. You can see 1-month volatility, which is influenced by the demand of the bullish and bear options, have risen 81%. Let me see if I can give you the article that I saw. It's Bailey said, however, the price dip was short-lived and the cryptocurrency rose above 19,000 on Tuesday. As such, one call continued buying, pushing the skewers lower once more. At press time, it's just basically saying that Bitcoin does this rise and fall, and we think it's going to basically just come on strong. The metric shows demand is still strong and suggests that the market could absorb potential rise in supply. However, holding sentiment remains strong, as evidenced by continued decline in the number of coins held on the exchanges. So a lot of people are saying that this is going to definitely rise up again. The COVID's going on. Everyone's scared of losing their jobs, not making money. People are scared of people dying. They think, there's a lot of uncertainty going around, and the uncertainty helps push the price up. So I'm a big believer in this. I think it's going to go up. And I think that here's another one I want to show you. And some are calling for all-time highs. For this right here, I can show you. Let me see if I have it on here. Fragment global price. The current debate over what exactly the all-time price is leading cryptocurrency shows how it's all about decentralization, has the difficulty of coming up with price systems on which everyone can agree on. We know that when you look up Bitcoin on these exchanges, let me show you guys right now. Here you go to market pairs on CoinMarketCap, and you can come over here and you can see that on different exchanges, the price is 17,900, 17,956, 17,958. And then here's another cool website you guys can check out if you want to see. It's a Fiat Leak. Let me see if I can pull it up for you. It should come up right now. This is Fiat Leak, and you can see all the people that are buying coins at different time. Like, say, if you click on Bitcoin, right now it's showing you it's 17,898. Look, it's saying 9. It's showing all the people that traded in the last minute. Like at 101, 103 traded. It's showing you every second that's being traded. So this is giving you a good idea of how many people are trading these coins. Like, say, if you look at, I mean, it's just, the numbers just keep going. It's like infinite. You can look at, let me see, to go back. Let me show you like a different coin. Let's try XRP. Okay, XRP traded what is that? 1,474 traded in 100 traded in the last minute. So that shows that how many people are trading these coins, the popularity. A lot of people are saying "fuck you" to the banks. They don't want to be a part of they don't want to be on the monetary system where their money's controlled. This is showing you how popular it is, guys. 1 million people, 1 million times traded in a minute is XRP. So I mean, that just shows you how popular this is going on. There's definitely a lot of stuff happening. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you something right on here. One could send Bitcoin to one exchange and then to another and sell it on a second exchange. That opens up the potential to keep it relatively close together and with sizable discrepancies. So it just shows how there's a lot of different discrepancies. Likewise, the historic all-time high for Bitcoin is also different depending on the source. CoinDesk Bitcoin's price index uses a weighted average of prices to get a reasonable sense of where Bitcoin is trading at any particular moment. That means they're taking all these different prices, they're weighting the average statistics, and they're basically making it, they're showing you the price currently based on that average and it's popping up on CoinMarketCap, where we just looked at. And they're saying that basically the average is taking 10 leading cryptocurrency exchanges, Bitstamp, Coinbase, Kraken, and then they're be able to where one to get one quote on Bitcoin for a major exchange. They get one quote on Bitcoin for every major exchange at any time of the day, and that's how they get that BPI number. And so it shows you kind of how they're getting the ideas over here for it. And it's in for centuries. Good old-fashioned cryptocurrencies have been mostly traded over the counter, first in the physical marketplace, then using telephones and computer terminals. As in crypto, the exact price of the floating rate fiat currency is a function of supply and demand. Thus, when futures exchanges uses a reference rate for the use of their for forex contracts, they basically decide what sources will be used. And they're just talking about how they do this. And for the record, CoinDesk views the all-time high of Bitcoin as 19,783. So remember that we just looked at the CoinMarketCap where it said 19,580, and now they're saying CoinDesk is saying 19,783. So that's why these coins are saying it hasn't hit the all-time high that it was before, but it will get there again. So I do think it's going to break out of this. Break over the $20,000 mark. I think everyone should stay tuned in it. Let's all try to make some money on there. If you guys like my content, I'm going to try to update you on the news with Bitcoin a lot more. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. It's been kind of a long day today. I'm living out here in Las Vegas. We're trying to, I live with my roommate. We do crypto full time. And I'm trying to update you guys on the news more because I know with COVID and everything, I realize that we need to have good news sources. We need to keep people in the loop on how to make money through crypto and basically what's going on to keep people informed on good programs and just the news that's happening. And we basically just want to say fuck you to the banks and keep making that crypto. All right, guys, Portfolio Patrick out. Thank you guys for watching. make sure to hit me up on Facebook, and we will talk Bitcoin more. And if you guys want an opportunity on how to earn Bitcoin so you can basically make Bitcoin every day, hit me up. Peace.